organizers. It was a very cool workshop. There's things that I've learned about AI. It's pretty cool to see all these advancements now in like modern society, and how like there's new innovations on like now we're getting robots to learn our languages, right? And then I think that's something I learned today, and it's very nice to have a discussion too with like other people about the AI, and definitely learning something new about Python. As originally I just wanted to check it out, but it seemed very interesting. Thank you.